Hey guys, today I want to share with you some staple products that we use for our 1-year-old. So I'm going to share with you guys a typical bath time routine in our house. Typically, once he hears the bath water running, he's headed towards the bath, ready to get in. Morrocco Method is our trusted go-to brand for our kids. Their skin is so delicate and fresh, and we have yet to find a company that includes all the amazing things that Morrocco Method has put in their products without all the extra junk and additives. I can feel confident giving him a bath with Morrocco Method products because it has ingredients that are so good for his little body. I can also be more relaxed knowing that if he drinks the bath water, which obviously we want to try to prevent, but hey, little kids do it, I can feel good knowing that although it's not ideal, he's much safer in a bath because Morrocco Method products are raw, natural, vegan, handcrafted ingredients like the purest of pure. I got more. You want to come in? Come look. Come look. Watch. Don't be alarmed when shampoos and soaps aren't sudsy or the color is this tan color or brown color. This is because there isn't any dyes or synthetic ingredients, which is amazing. We as parents, we can get so caught up in the bubbles and the fun colors, thinking it can make bath time super fun and inviting, but those ingredients can affect our bodies at a high cost. So I encourage you to find other ways to incorporate fun during bath time so that you can be rest assured that you're not sacrificing health for fun. We love all the body washes, but my favorite body wash is the Heavenly Essence body wash. The smell is so relaxing after a bath. He is out like a light, and I just love the smell. I can't get over it. It's just something about it is just so calming, so soothing, and I feel like it just fits a nighttime bath time. Our bodies are so important to take care of, and if you would take the time to just read the ingredients on the products that you're using, I encourage you to do a little research and see if you recognize those things and, Google and search what those ingredients are and compare it to a Morrocco Method bottle, and you'll see why we'll never go back. So we wash, and then we play, and then we get dried and head to the room to rub down his skin with the baby oil. Since our baby was born, we have been using Morrocco Method, Zen baby powder, and baby oil on his skin and diaper areas. I can thankfully say we have not encountered one diaper rash at all. This baby oil is an important step for his skin health and moisturizing. I want his skin to stay soft and hydrated for as long as I possibly control his bath time routine, and then hopefully as he gets older he will continue to do that so that way his skin can stay healthy and hydrated for the rest of his life. Then we finish off with baby powder and a diaper. And we have yet to have, in all of his 14 months of life so far, we have yet to have one single diaper rash, which is insane. And his little tushy stays red-free. It doesn't get dried or chafed or itchy or irritated. And so that step of putting the oil on and then the baby powder is huge and crucial, I feel like, in his nighttime routine and every time we change his diaper.